You hit the books on Monday, you're a legend. By Wednesday, you're lost online in a TikTok rabbit hole. By Sunday, you're in a full-blown panic, cramming like your life depends on it. You feel lazy, you feel like a failure, but you're not. The problem isn't you, it's the garbage advice you've been following. Forget, just be disciplined. Today, we're hacking your brain with 7 stupidly simple tricks to make studying addictive. And stick around for a bonus hack in the middle that's a literal game over button for your deadlines. Let's unlock your brain. Let's go. 7. Become your own future boss. Stop thinking about the future as some blurry idea. Imagine meeting yourself 5 years from now. This version is living your dream life. But they only exist because you stopped acting like an idiot today. That degree, that killer job, it all started with the session you're about to skip. Make it real. 6. Weaponize your environment. Trash the gentle. You can do it. Notes. They don't work. You need psychological warfare on your own laziness. Plaster your world with brutal, angry truth bombs. On your laptop. Opening Netflix? Congrats on choosing failure. On your fridge. That snack won't taste as good as being broke feels. Make it impossible to slack off without your own notes calling you out. 5. The brutal time audit. Your biggest lie? I don't have time. Number. You lack organization. List everything you do in a week. Classes, sleep, scrolling, gaming, everything. Now categorize it into non-negotiables and negotiables. See all that negotiable time? That's your study time. You just found it. Stop lying to yourself. 4. Energy hunting. You have a biological prime time, a part of the day when your brain is literally firing on all cylinders, and you're probably wasting it. Are you a morning person? Then why are you saving studying for 11 p.m.? Find your peak energy window and guard it with your life. Protect your prime time like the treasure it is. 3. The 15-minute miracle. The fastest way to fail, saying, I'll study for 3 hours a day starting tomorrow. You won't. Start so small it's impossible to fail. Week 1, 15 minutes. Just 15. Week 2, bump it to 30. Week 3, 45 minutes. Week 4, you're suddenly studying for an hour plus without the mental battle. Always schedule a guilt-free day off. Your brain needs to reboot. Bonus tip. Get help when you're out of time. Let me say it straight. Sometimes you're too behind to fix it alone. That's where I come in. I help students pass entire courses, math, programming, essays, exams, even full projects. And all the proof is in my Discord. If your deadline's close and you're drowning, I can help you pull it off and walk out with a 90% plus. Contact info is in the description, or join the Discord if you want extra tools and support. Second, Pavlov's brain hack. Time to train your brain like a dog. Pick a scent. Peppermint oil, fresh coffee, a cologne. And only smell it when you study. Then take that same scent to your exam. It triggers memory recall, giving your brain a secret nudge to remember everything you learned. It's a legal cheat code. Use it. 1. The ultimate mind trick. This is the simplest and most powerful one. Stop saying, I have to study. Your brain hears have to and rebels. Instead say, I want to study. It flips a switch. It moves you from obligation to choice. You're not being forced, you're in control. Trick your brain into wanting it. The results are insane. Compress an entire topic onto a single page from memory. Focus on big ideas, key formulas, steps, and common traps. If you can't fit it, your understanding needs simplifying. Want more? Subscribe for clear, honest, no BS tips that actually help you pass. And if you're stuck right now with math, coding, or assignments you can't finish, don't just sit there. Reach out. I've helped hundreds of students go from failing to A- and better. And all the proof is in the Discord, so feel free to check it out. Links is in the description. You could be next. Let's get to work.